Welcome to my channel. Today I have a new video for you guys, and it's about a really hot topic. It's about AI, which is artificial intelligence, and especially in this video I'm gonna talk about artificial intelligence in smartphone and how the smartphone captures and processes the artificial intelligence processing in their smartphone. So first you need to understand what is artificial intelligence. It is an intelligence which is artificial, which is not a natural thing. You need to make the machine understand that it is this and it is this and it is this. Suppose three different scenarios. You need to make the machine understand then this is nighttime, this is sunlight, and this is cloudy weather. And depending upon the situation, your camera will detect the situation, and this is the rainy weather, so I will capture the image differently, and in the sunlight it will capture the image differently. And in the green weather, suppose there is a lot of trees and a lot of green everywhere, it will capture the image differently. And in the night time it will capture differently. So you need to make the image processing system in the software of your smartphone to understand what is the best situation to capture the image and how can we get the best result from that. So that is the main concept of why we use the AI features in smartphone. So let's first talk about how to do it. Suppose if you want to make a software understand, if you give it a picture of a dog, and is it able to understand that it is a dog? But how? You have to give it instruction. Then if the eye structure is this, then this will be dog. And if the eye structure is, or nose structure, eye structure, leg structure is this, which is similar to a dog, then it will be a dog. You need to give total instruction for thousands of dogs so that you can understand and detect the dog properly. And simple as goes for the cat, other animals, etc. And also same goes for different kind of scenario we have in our daily life. So the camera need to adjust the image processing according to the situation, which I told you earlier. Suppose if you are taking a food picture, there have to be a little bit of vibrance, otherwise it will not look so good. It have to be a lot more vibrant and a lot more contrast image in the food. And it can also detect that this is a food picture. So I will capture it more vibrantly, more saturated image. And for the rainy weather, the cloudy weather, everything looks dull. So in that situation, you need to make your dynamic range properly so that the shadows are more visible. Okay, so it will depend upon the situation. In night time, in low light photography, you need to make the exposure level a little bit high so that it is looking more visible, and make the shadows a little bit less and then make the highlight a little bit more. So that is the logics for the low light photography. And especially for if you are taking a picture of weather where lots of trees, lots of garden, so in that particular sense the green tint need to be little bit rise up so that it looks more eye-soothing, a lot more nicer to your image. So although it is not properly natural, it is doing the most thing by over saturating and over contrast and over vibrance of your image. But the people actually like it because in depending upon the situation, it is increasing the necessary things that is needed for that particular weather. So that is the main concept why people actually love that AI features. Although it is not natural, the natural photographer will not love these features, but the people who are general user are really amazed about it because they see the picture is more vibrant and it looks good to the eyes. They feel it is really good. Although it is really good and you need a powerful hardware, the hardware or the chipset that is capable of AI capabilities. And lots of Snapdragon processor nowadays have these capabilities. And if you see the lots of Samsung Galaxy devices, suppose Galaxy S9 and suppose Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus and Note 9, all of them has AI features, and Huawei Nova 2i, 3i, and lots of Xiaomi devices and Apple devices also have some AI features included to their chipset. So you needed good software in stabilization and good software processing as well, and as well as your hardware capability. So combination will make it AI features. The AI also called as machine learning. Okay, so that's all the things that is gathered around AI software and features. So that's all for you guys, and in the next video I'll talk about the iPhone launch event. The iPhone XS Max, iPhone X and iPhone X are really amazing, those phones. I want to talk about tons of technology about those phones, so keep watching the next video also. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like, give it a thumbs down, and please share my video so that I can grow more and more. So thanks for watching guys, and peace out. I will catch up in the next video. Bye.